Hi everyone! In today's video, I will be discussing an embossed lacy knit that is perfect for knitted women's and children's tops, blouses, and cardigans for all seasons. This knit is double-sided. It is knitted equally on both sides. In addition to clothing, it can also be used to create a thin mohair scarf or cape. Winter clothes, made with thick yarn like this, will be dense, yet airy, and have a unique look. The scheme consists of 3 stitches and 1 row. My hooks are 4 mm thick. To begin with, you should cast on several stitches that are a multiple of 3, plus 2 additional stitches, and 2 edge loops. On both sides, after the edge loop, each row begins with 2 knit loops. The repeat pattern to the end of the row is, make a yarn over loop, knit 2 together through the back, and knit 1. Again, yarn over, knit 2 together through the back, and knit 1. Yarn over, knit 2 together through the back, and knit 1. Yarn over, knit 2 together through the back, and knit 1. On the next row, knit in the same manner. At the beginning of the row, knit 2. The repeat pattern to the end of the row is, make a yarn over loop, knit 2 together through the back, and knit 1. Again, yarn over, knit 2 together through the back, and knit 1. Yarn over, knit 2 together through the back, and knit 1. I love this structure of relief strings between the solid columns, the same on both sides of the fabric. They create stretchiness, volume, and airiness at the same time. This unique lace pattern will look great on any garment. I hope you will knit many beautiful clothes and accessories for you and your family. I appreciate your presence. Please tap the like button if you found the video helpful. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. I hope you find inspiration for your next knitting project. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.